Hello and welcome to the channel. I did work on this beautiful Vienna regulator clock a few years ago, and there is a video about it. And it worked flawlessly until I got a phone call and has been told that it stopped functioning properly. I took the clock to my place and noticed that the pendulum is not hanging on the spring. Maybe the owner tried to adjust the rate and got pendulum out of hook. I took out the movement from the case, and after removing the crutch, I saw the arbor not having a pivot on one of its sides. That was a problem that cannot be easily fixed. One option was to find a replacement for the whole crutch assembly, but nothing was available online. The other option was to embed a new pivot to the arbor, using a limited number of tools in my arsenal, which was just a drill press. So I made a jig to hold the crutch together with the arbor and pallet. The black part on the top allowed me to adjust the vertical position. And I made the hole in the arbor using 0.7 mm drill bit. Then I used a piece of drill bit of the same diameter and pressed it in arbor. I cut it to the proper length and polished it. After that I put everything back together and ran the clock for testing. And it did work very well. I was so happy that I was able to fix it. My client was happy as well, and we both hope for nice functioning of this beautiful piece of art for many years to come. Thanks for watching. Please give a like, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. And until next time, goodbye.